In this new CapCut tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to add background to an image or a video, step-by-step tutorial. So let's jump right into this video. I'm going to import and drag and drop this video. And now I will just remove this background. I'll click on here, and now I don't have background here, but I would like to add a background. All right, to this video. So what I have to do, select the video, and then I'll actually create a new compound clip. And here in Canvas, you don't have to create a compound clip, but I just want to. And here in Canvas, make sure you enable Canvas. And here in this options here we have, make sure you click on Style. And I will add a background from here. Here we have a bunch of options. I will add this one. And now, as you can see, we have the background. Now, if you want a very simple background, like you just want color, go to Style, Canvas here and select Color. And now you only have a color. We can also now, maybe you want, we have the background here, and we also have the background added to this. You can click on Crop. And now we can click on Confirm. Now you can click on Create a new compound and Undo. And just click on here on the color you want. You have a lot of clutter. You can also add a blur. Just cool this. Can right click now and create a new compound clip. And we can simply here go to color and add another, like you can also add the blur in the background. And also if you create a new compound clip, you can add now a color as well, or you can add a style here. So I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.